Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Accelerate Your Performance podcast. I'm your host, Dr. Janet Pilcher, founder and president of Studer Education. This is an exciting week. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, for about 2.5 hours a day, we will be hosting our Studer Education Destination High Performance Virtual Conference. It's not too late to register, so go to studereducation.com/events. The registration fee includes access to recorded productions through June, so you'll be able to join us and your colleagues across the country, as well as have access to the recordings for a while. So here's a little bit more about the conference structure. It will include short snippets featuring the 9 pillars of leadership excellence, where some of our school district executive leaders will present their work and results. The conference structure includes a daily kickoff, 15-minute keynote. I'll start days 1 and 2, and Dr. Pat Greco will offer the keynote on day 3. 2 mini master classes a day presented by our great leader coaches. Participants will receive a participant workbook to use during the master class sessions. 5 to 7-minute partner presentations on how their teams applied a specific 9 pillars of leadership excellence tactic. Executive leadership panels focused on specific pillar tactics and several showcases of our districts to show how they've implemented the leadership execution framework in the 9 pillars to achieve positive results and to continuously improve. At the end of the conference, we'll host a professional leadership learning community that any participant can join to share their learnings and connect to teams across the country. So I hope you'll join us this week. We're going to have a great time together. As we prepare for the conference, I start with a high-level overview of the 9 pillars of leadership excellence. That's what I want to share today, just to get our minds thinking about how do we frame great leadership? How do we build the strategies and concepts and tactics to apply in our everyday work to be the best that we can be as leaders? Each pillar includes specific concepts, strategies, and tactics that leaders can indeed apply to achieve excellence. So let's start. Starting with pillars 1 and 2. They include concepts, strategies, and tactics that build the foundation for strategic execution to achieve results. So pillar 1 sets up for execution of looking at how we create a strategic vision, then to a strategic plan and standards of excellence, the way we operationalize the organizational values. Pillar 2 includes the bullseye and scorecard to define priorities and the processes for designing the organizational scorecard. The scorecard includes improvement measures, few and focused on areas of need. Not 1,000 of them, but few and focused measures that are indeed important that help us improve, with aligned actions so that we can improve. The organizational scorecard sets the stage for cascading scorecards to schools and departments throughout our organizations. Pillars 3 and 4 include concepts and tactics that are fundamental to executing all strategies and tactics described in each of the 9 pillars. Communication, recognition, and gratitude are key to everything we do to achieve positive results and support our teams to be successful. Leaders will apply these tactics in pillars 3 and 4 in all that they do to execute well. And pillars 5 and 6 represent the heartbeat of our work. Pillar 5 focuses on building a workplace environment where people can be at their best and see that they are valued and how what they do adds value to the organization. Pillar 6 focuses on providing a 10 out of 10 level of service to those we serve inside and external to the organization. The tactics specifically drive the culture of the organization or the way we interact with each other and with others. Pillar 7 puts the pieces together for aligning goals, behaviors, and processes. We're in full execution mode to apply short cycles of improvement with our teams. And the goal is to scale the bright spots and dive deeper into solving barriers, getting in the way of achieving positive results. And then comes Pillar 8. It focuses on continuing to coach our people to execute well following the leadership execution framework. Remember, aligning goals, align behaviors, align processes. And Pillar 8 helps us hold our teams accountable for their performance. This is the place where we address low performance that could hold the organization back and stall the positive momentum. And we also want to continue to recognize those people in our organization who are continuing to grow and excelling in the work that they do. And Pillar 9 provides the various types of blueprints for applying a systematic approach regardless of where an organization starts. It offers tactics on how to do deeper reflections as well as cascade the improvement work to the classroom. This pillar builds reflective action into the work that we do each and every day as we apply the pillars and build continuous types of improvements within our organizations time and time again, day after day after day. It begins to help us hardwire the practices that are most important to us to achieve excellence. I have the honor of partnering with leaders like you to apply these leadership pillars in educational organizations. This week, we have an opportunity to listen and learn from the great work that is occurring in our K-12 organizations throughout the country. I hope you join us to be part of this special and high-performing educational leadership network. Come join us, you all. For now, have a great week, and see you this Tuesday.